Hello everyone, today we're diving into a quick comparison of Tinkercad and AutoCAD. These are two popular CAD tools that I've used from Autodesk, and today we're breaking down what each one offers, comparing their strengths, and figuring out which one's best for your needs. Ready? Let's go. First up, we have Tinkercad. It's a free web-based 3D modeling tool designed for beginners, students, and hobbyists. Tinkercad uses simple drag and drop functionality with basic shapes to create 3D models. It's super intuitive, supports 3D printing, and even has tools for electronic simulations and coding. Perfect for quick prototypes or educational projects, but it lacks advanced features for complex designs. Next up, we have AutoCAD. This is the industry standard CAD software for professionals in architecture, engineering, and construction. It offers powerful 2D drafting and 3D modeling, parametric design, and extensive customizations via APIs. AutoCAD handles intricate projects with precision, but comes with a steep learning curve and subscription costs starting at $250 per month. So, how do they stack up? Let's check out our comparison chart. Tinkercad shines for beginners and educators. Its simplicity and zero cost make it ideal for learning 3D design or creating simple models for 3D printing. AutoCAD, on the other hand, is the go-to for professionals needing precision for large-scale projects like building or machinery. It's more complex and pricey, but unmatched for advanced work. So, which is better? If you're starting out or teaching, go with Tinkercad. For professional grade design, AutoCAD's your pick. Thanks for watching, guys. Drop a comment on your favorite CAD tool. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.